Okay, we're still on half load, and this is the last wind I think it is, so I'm presuming, I don't know how high the water level's going to go, but we'll soon find out. 9 minutes. I'll try and do a full cycle of the wind cycle when I've got another load like this. Because I don't think I've ever seen it do this before. Slow fill. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, but I will definitely set up a Facebook page of the laundry room, and at least we can speak to each other in the community that and get to know each other as well, and other YouTubers as well. If you want to subscribe, feel free. Well, not subscribe, like the Facebook page. Yeah, it'll be called the laundry room, but I'll put a link in the description down below. I'm not set it up just yet, but I will do. And feel free to message me or add each other on Facebook. I'll always respond. Just let's see what this does now. Yeah, if you're in the Bolton area in the UK, feel free to, if you want to arrange a meet-up in the future. That would be pretty cool. You can see my Bolton logo there. Pretty cool that, isn't it? They play tonight. Let's see how high this water level goes. Another decent water level. I know when I put bedding in, it doesn't go very high up on the main washes, so I think I might put bedding in on this wash and not have extra rinse and put softener in on the standard synthetics I usually do. Let me get a close-up shot there. There we go, it's going up on the window there. It's steaming up a bit because the window's too cold and I'm breathing on the bloody window as well. Trying to get close-up looks and that for you. You can just about see it, and plus also softener makes steam up a bit as well. Well, that's mainly on the spin it steams up when there's softener on it. Well, that's a deep rinse. Come on, Bolton, tonight. I hope they bloody win. I predict 2-0 tonight for tonight's match. Can't remember who they're playing now, but I'm going to watch it. I think we're coming to the end of this Winx now. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna set up a Facebook page called The Laundry Room, so definitely like that, and we can also like to talk to each other as well, and I'll put all the links and that, and just have a bit of a social get together on a Facebook group page. We'll try and get to see if we can get a wider audience, if that makes sense, if we get a Facebook page too, and then I'll also put the links. But to be honest, it's more like the social, like getting to know each other as well. Yeah. So I'm from the Bolton area in the UK, so if you're round about like Greater Manchester way, we could at least arrange a meet up over after this pandemic or something. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up here now because it's draining now, so I just wanted to film how this is the first ever time that this washer has done a deep rinse on our floor, and I'm quite shocked with this.